So this is the view of the King's Landing in the Game of Thrones TV series. So that's what it is, and this is a view from the Lobrenac Fortress. So I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It's the Lobrenac Fortress, and that's the King's Landing right there, and that's the walls. So it's also a fortress, but in Game of Thrones they really used that one right there. See that one? Remember? Ayan. So most of the scenes were shot in this place. Tapos yun yung Blackwater Bay, where nung nagpapaalam na si Jon Snow at saka yung mga kapatid niya. That's where the shot was seen.